Hello, my name is Danielle Ellis, and I will be sharing my third project by Flatiron School, which is a Ruby on Rails application that manages data through complex forms and RESTful routes. So just to get started, here's my GitHub. On my GitHub, I have a README that gives you instructions on how to install this application. And I'm going to go ahead and open the application up. I have my text editor open already, and I'm already inside of my folder. So I'm going to go ahead and type Rails S to get the application started. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to go to my local environment, localhost 3000. All right, and this brings me to the home page. So my application is called Virtual Dance Machine. This is an online dance studio that allows users to view dance classes. They can also add dance classes. They have a list of categories that's associated with the dance classes, and they can also comment on those different classes. So we are going to start off with a sign up as a new user. So the first thing I want to show you is if I sign up without putting anything in the blanks, we will get an error message that says that the username can't be blank, and then also the requirements for the password. So I just wanted to point that out first. So I'm going to go ahead and create a username. I've already had these, so I'm going to say my name is Bob. My email is bob@me.com. And then my password, I'm just gonna make it password. Okay, so it says my username is too short. It has to be at least 5 characters. So let's do Bobby. Password. All right. So we are in. The first thing it says is welcome Bobby, and then it has your classes. Right now, he is not signed up for any classes, so that's why there's nothing there. At the top, we have our navigation bar. So the profile, of course, it brings you right back here to his profile. And then all classes. This lists all the dance classes. I've already set a few up while I was setting up my application. And then create a dance class. We have the ability to create our own dance class. All categories. This shows all the different categories of classes. Right now, there aren't many categories set up. And then all dancers shows just a list of all the dancers that have signed up for the application. And here's Bobby right down here, and it has the time that he got started. So first, let's go to all dance classes. So in all dance classes, as you can see, Bobby has the ability to view more information about this dance class and to add a comment, but he does not have the ability to edit this dance class as he did not create it. So he can add a comment, and we'll just say it was a tough class, but a great workout. And we're going to create the comment. So now it says that at first it had 2 comments. So now it says that this class has 3 comments. So we can view more details, and it shows all the comments. And here is Bobby's comment right here. All right, let's go to create a class. So let's say that he wants to start a class. So he can select from a category that's already created, or create his own category. So I'm going to create a category called hip hop. Oops. Hip hop. And the class name would be I can't think of a, let's just say hip hop with Bobby. Bobby. And a description, great way to learn hip hop. Okay. So we're going to create the class, and then he also has the ability to cancel down here. We're going to create the class. And as you can see, the class was created. It says Hip Hop with Bobby in the description. Right now, there are no comments right here, so there's nothing listed. So if we go back to his profile, now it says your classes, and we can see that Bobby has a class already in his profile. And then also, I want to point out Bobby has the ability to edit this class and delete this class. So if we go to edit, let's say let's change it to a category of, did I have jazz up here already? Yeah. We can change it to jazz category, update the class. It's now, is that it? Let me go edit. I'll just type in jazz. Update. I have so many classes on here. Okay. Here it is. And just to see it a little better, let's go to his profile. And it now says a category of jazz. So he does have the ability to edit classes. And then he can also delete classes. So if we delete, let's go to his profile. The class is no longer here. Okay. Also with categories, he did start a jazz category, so it shows, and if we would have kept the class there, his class would have showed up in the jazz category. So this is the gist of my app. Let's just show you how the login works. So right now we have, I have a sign in with Google. We're gonna make sure it works. I'm just gonna use my Google account. And it says, welcome Danielle Ellis. So the Google authentication works. And then it has my profile and all the dance classes on here. One more thing is just logging back in. So let's make sure Bobby can log back in. Bobby and password. All right. So the application does remember Bobby, and it kept all his information. If he would have never deleted the dance class, it would have still been there. So this is the virtual dance machine application. And I thank you so much for watching.